In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Alibaba 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your accounts, place an order, and check out with Afterpay smoothly and confidently. Start by creating your Afterpay account. Open the Afterpay website or app and select Sign Up. You'll be asked for an email, a mobile number, and a payment method like a debit or credit card. Complete the verification steps they send you. Afterpay lets eligible shoppers split a purchase into installments, so make sure your card has sufficient funds for the first payment and that your personal details match your billing address to avoid approval hiccups. Next, create or sign in to your Alibaba account. Head to the Alibaba website or app and choose Sign In or Join Free. Enter your email or mobile number and verify your account. Keep your profile details accurate. It helps with order processing and communication with suppliers. Now choose a product that supports trade assurance. Use the search bar to find what you need. Open a listing and look for the trade assurance badge along with solid supplier ratings and recent reviews. Trade assurance helps protect your payment and often enables financing options on eligible orders. If you have questions on pricing, customization, or shipping, message the supplier and request a formal order before moving forward. When you're ready, place the order. Click Start Order or contact supplier depending on the listing. Confirm the final price, the quantity, and the shipping details. Then wait for the supplier to send the invoice through Alibaba so everything is recorded within the platform. Go to checkout by opening My Orders and selecting Pay Now. Review your order summary carefully, including the address, shipping method, and any taxes or duties that may apply. Then select your payment method. If Afterpay is available for your region and order type, you'll see Afterpay, or in some regions, ClearPay. Choose it. Log into your Afterpay account, review the installment plan, and approve the payment. Approval depends on your account status, the order amount, and local availability. If approved, you'll pay the first installment right away, and the remaining payments will be scheduled automatically. To avoid late fees, keep your card active and set reminders for the upcoming installments. After payment approval, your order will be processed and the supplier will ship your product. You can track every stage inside your Alibaba dashboard, watch for updates, respond promptly to any supplier messages, and keep your order records until everything arrives in good condition. That's it. You've used Afterpay on Alibaba from start to finish.